This necklace makes me feel like a very properly day. Hello everybody, my name is Jemma if you didn't already know, and if you did already know, hi, my name is Jemma and welcome back. I have a confession. Every time I film a Lolita unboxing video, I just want you guys to know that I never have a petticoat on. I always have pajama pants and my waist ties aren't even tied. Today I am unboxing a very anticipated dress. I am unboxing Fruity Lemon by Angelic. There's a whole story with Fruity Lemon. I got Fruity Lemon in the OP cut in the mint colorway. This is my package, all squishy. I got my shopping service to order me up one of these because I missed the release and the online release, and we can get into that later. This was one of the 2019 Angelic Pretty releases that I have been keeping my eye on. Actually, probably the only one from their new collection. Fruity Lemon was the one that I was waiting for. That was the one that I knew I was going to get, you know what I mean? She's finally here after lots of tears and crying in Japan. So yep, this is from my shopping service. It literally just came this morning and I'm very excited. So with my handy dandy super cute scissors and my super cute package, I'm gonna very carefully open this and tell you what all this tea is about. Basically, I was actually in Japan for 3 weeks, if you guys didn't already know. Angelic Pretty actually had the Fruity Lemon release while I was in Tokyo. I know, crazy. I planned to wake up super early. I was gonna be first in line, and then I slept through my alarm and I got there like 30 minutes late, like after they already opened the doors in La Forêt and all that kind of stuff. And I got there and everybody had numbers except I. And I asked, do you have any more of this particular cut and this particular colorway? And they said no. And she asked me if I had a number and I said no, and she was like, oh. So I left and I waited half an hour for the online release. I have all of my information saved. I've got an account. I have my Tenso address and everything like that. It's like, I am going to get this dress on the online release. I was there. I have it on film and it sold out in 2 minutes. Today I was gonna go get Fruity Lemon. I was late, so I was like, okay, well, I'll just wait for it to be released online. So I sat here in this little stairway at La Forêt, and in 1 minute it was sold out. So here we are. I had everything in my cart. I went to check out, and then something was removed from my cart because it sold out. And so then I had to refresh it again, and then by that time it was all sold out. So I was like, okay, cool, love that for me. This one is actually from the Kyoto limited release. My shopping service like stood in line and got it, but I know they also have a made to order reservation, which I actually ordered the matching head clip through that. That won't get to me till December. So I'm glad I'm glad that my shopping service was able to get me the limited Kyoto release, because I wouldn't have had this until December, and then we're really off season, sis. But yeah, anyway, that's my horror story. Thank you for tuning in. Cute! My shopping service gave me little candies and like a little sticker. Oh, I wonder what kind of candies they are. I've been to Japan. I've done that. Oh, it's so cute. All right, I guess it's time to give this a little bit of an unwrap, shall we? Shall we unswaddle the Fruity Lemon? It's so cute. It makes me want lemonade so bad. Always gotta go for the sniff. Oh, this is Fruity Lemon. I love this OP cut because I love super high, like baby doll sort of cuts, the cute little flouncy sleeves. This colorway was like gone really quick. It's super popular. I can understand why. The pastel yellow of like the lemons and the little chicks and stuff just really complement the mint background. This ribbon is always so lovely. And then there's also a ribbon on the back that is also detachable, so you can take this off and like put it somewhere else if your heart so desires. It's got like a cute double lace collar thing going on, and in the middle there's like these cute little pastel yellow like flower buttons. There's this cute little tiny bow right here at the waist, which is sewn on. Fabric itself is chiffon. I love me some chiffon, but there's like little bits of threads that are kind of shiny, polka dotted in. I'm not entirely sure what that's called. And the pattern's got some lemons going down in a vertical line, and then at the skirt you have giant half cut and whole lemons, and then there's this adorable little chick here, little baby chick, and they all have flower bonnets on. I think that's just so cute. This one's got like a pink flower bonnet. This one's got an orange flower bonnet. This one's got a green flower bonnet. It's chicks and lemons. And of course the waist ties are detachable and they're attached by the same buttons that I showed you on the bodice. The sleeves have cute little sewn on ribbons like that of the one on the waist. I think it's so cute and precious. I'm so excited that she's finally mine. I really wish I had a hair accessory to go with this. I'm not even wearing an accessory right now. Wait, I have a matching head bow and everything and I forgot to put it on. I guess I will go try it on and I will let you guys know what I think. Okay, so these earrings kind of don't go with Fruity Lemon, but that's okay. I will probably get some really cute lemon earrings very soon. I just threw on like a little ivory bow because I thought it kind of worked. So that's what I got going on right now. Super cute, super comfortable. I love it. It's perfect. But this bow in the back, it kind of blocks the zipper and you kind of can't get in and out of the dress when you have that on there. So, I mean, wonderful if you have somebody to help you get dressed, but if you don't, might not want to put that bow in that area. I appreciate the thought, but it makes getting ready just a little bit more difficult. I love everything about it. I love the color. I love the chicks. I love the lemons. Yeah, it's just really like springy and summery and it's really cute and I'm just really excited that it's finally mine. Yeah, I really, really love this dress. I'm not looking forward to waiting for that hair clip forever, but yeah, I think I love it. That's kind of all I have to say. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you enjoy me and or my content, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. But yeah, I hope that you have a wonderful day and I hope that you keep on smiling and I will see you in my latest content. All right, bye.